guys, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today the topic for today is ta-da! We'll be speaking about we have a few African vloggers. We have a few males and females that has been going to Jamaica, to the Caribbean, since recently. So they have been highlighting our lovely island in a very, very positive way. And they have also opened up to our eyes to their part of Africa where they are from. Mainly the ones that I've been seen recently are from Kenya. You have a few Nigerians as well. I saw a Nigerian blogger. He was in Jamaica as well, but the main ones I'm speaking about is D Mwango and Sean Arwa. D Mwango and Sean Arwa. I follow those ladies on YouTube. Not to mention Kino Life in Jamaica, because Kino is the one who has been assisting D. Not just Kino alone, but mainly Kino, who has been the one who has been assisting D since she was in Jamaica. She was in Jamaica for 4 months. I think she left in February. She left in February and she came back in March. I think she came back in March. And Dee has been giving us so much insight of our Jamaica, the Jamaica that we used to, the Jamaica that we want to see. You understand? We know that there's crime and violence everywhere, but that's our Jamaica, and we like to see the country being highlighted in a positive way. And trust me, when Dee went to Jamaica, it's like that young lady, she just fit right in. She just fit right in. She amongst the people, them not the ghetto and a trench talk. She's all over. She's from east to west. She's in Portland with Miss Liquor Kitchen. It's like she meet up with a lot of Jamaican YouTubers as well. And really, they have been so good to her. And trust me, our Jamaican people, if me smile too much, it's like my heart I go burst. The way how I feel so proud. Not that I wasn't proud before. I'm always proud of being a Jamaican. Like, that's my flex, isn't it? That's my flex. Being a Jamaican is my flex. But when I see others who have dreamt of my little island, where a lot of us is running away from, goodness self, our lovely island, where a lot of us is run away from. A lot of us have run away, and a lot are still trying to figure out how to make it off that little rock that we have. But it's like we don't know the blessing that we have. We honestly do not know the blessing. It's like I am looking at the island in such a different light since I left, and my whole dream and aspiration is to return. It's like there's not one day. It's like I'm living in two places. Because Jamaica in my mind and my heart and everything all the time. Every day. It's like not even my accent. My accent is not going nowhere. And I leave Jamaica over 22 years now. But my accent strong, my lover. Yeah, my accent can't change. Try it for change. And I love it so much. No, man. Everywhere I go, it's like I try to speak so that people understand, obviously, but the part of it does chip in, like it's just me, it's just a part of me. But as I was saying, back to D Mwango, she's in Jamaica. She highlight the country in such a positive way. It's like that girl has fallen in love with, right now D wish she was Jamaican. So D, you have to work on your citizenship, yeah, and find out how that goes, because I don't know much about our immigration in Jamaica and how that works. But that young lady, yeah, we give her props. Even when I'm watching other videos, because I started watching her videos of when she started. She went to Jamaica first. And then obviously I went on her channel and I searched different videos, and I quite enjoyed her videos. Right? She went back. It's like those people are telling others so much about Jamaica that other people want to come to Jamaica as well. Because Dee was going, the way how she loved Jamaica, she was going on and on about Jamaica and whatever. And then one of her friends, Sean Arwa, she came to Jamaica because of the influence that she sees it has on Dee. And you know what this proved to me? You know, Jamaican people are supportive people. It's like we always think that Jamaican people don't support each other. I don't think that, you know, I think Jamaican people we fight amongst each other a lot. But I think based on my world views and to the places that I've traveled and that I've read about, that I've done my research on, it's like Jamaica is one of the most loving, welcoming places Pamasa God earth. The people, they're so, them kind. Boy, Jamaican people are just the best, man. That is just how I can describe it. Jamaicans, we are the best. And we need to know that. We need to know that we can stay same place in Jamaica and build up ourselves. But because we're getting influenced by these first world countries, and all in our mind is that if we don't leave, we can't better. And that's not true, you know. We can stay same place in Jamaica and make a living. But because the mindset is that we have to go, we cannot stay here because I hold on and we have that mindset. So we don't try to do anything to elevate. Because look how much people live in Jamaica. You know, the lifestyle that you can have in Jamaica if you set your things straight. True. We can have a good lifestyle. But yes, those young ladies, Dee went and Dee introduced Sean to Jamaica. Sean, she came to Jamaica, she fell in love. Every time I watch Sean Ara's video, I always cry. Don't ask me why. All the time I've watched her videos, it's like she just come across to me as such a genuine person. It's just that the emotion she shows when she's with her baby, when she's, you know, it's just that anytime I watch her video, I cry. God no. And then, so yeah, so they have highlighted Jamaica in such a positive way. But you know what I don't understand? I don't understand. You have some reactors. I understand that everybody has a job to do. And I'm not against reactors. You understand me? Because everybody need to do what they need to do. But why is it that it's like they're tearing down, like them tear down each other so much? Like, I don't even understand, because the way I've witnessed how they've attacked Dee Mwango and her family, because she have a brother, she have two brothers, and they're YouTubers as well, and they're from a village in Kenya called Nebohanse. But the way how I've seen those reactors speak negatively about those people, I'm wondering, like, I don't even see, it's like I'm trying to see the point that they're trying to bring across. Mind you, sometimes I get what they're saying. You understand me? I get what they're saying. But like when they try to fabricate, and when I said fabricate, I said, like when they try to build a story in their head that this is what is going on. So for instance, now Kino life in Jamaica, Kino is the one that is showing Dee around Jamaica, and they are good friends, nothing but good friends. But for somehow a lot of these reactors are thinking, like, it's like you can't have two adults who are good friends and people don't think that they're basically sleeping together, or basically think that the girl want the boy or the boy want the girl, because I don't see that chemistry coming across with Kino and Dee. To me, they just look like two friends. Kino have him woman, Kino have him family. Dee come and Dee talk and explain these things so many times. But for somehow, some of these reactors, them just cannot get it in their head that there is no there's no real sexual relationship going on there. There's no need for them. It's like they're just digging up and digging up and digging up and trying to find. They're just trying to find something, and I'm just wondering, because I'm watching the same thing that they're watching, saying D Mwango's video, and I don't see the things that they're saying about this young lady, because she and Kino, I don't see she and Kino in a no sexual thing whatsoever. Those people are just good friends. And it's like, because they don't understand the culture of Jamaica, like when we speak sometimes, people don't get it. People, we're a lot, Jamaicans love to run joke. We take everything for joke. It doesn't matter how the situation is, we find humor out of it. So for instance, the other day, Kina was saying, oh, I bought this house for $20 million. But before Kina said that, he was explaining to the price of the houses and what they cost and blah, blah, blah. But then now they're always running jokes with Sean. So when Sean asked, I think Sean asked, you know, how, like Sean asked, because Sean doesn't understand the patois so much. So when Kina was explaining to D, she thought Kina said, she got the impression that Kina owned the house. So then when Kina was speaking to her now, so Kina was saying, yes, 20 million. And by talking and talking, it come across as if Kina would run a joke and say, I bought it for $20 million, which that was a joke. But it's like them take it up on them head, oh, Kino is lying. Kino said he bought a house and blah, blah, blah. And me I said, my God, these people, they look for all the negative stuff. Look at the nice work the young ladies are doing. They go into Sean Ara's thing, they dig up the girl, whatever she had done in the past or whatever it is. But the past is just the past. So can't she move on and just do her own thing and we all be happy for them? Like, why is it so bad? Like, why you guys try to find the negativity and try to push a narrative that doesn't go that way, right? It's like to me, sometimes I'm thinking if they would like to see the girls fail, like, I don't know, but I think they fabricate the stories, like they overthink the situation so much. You can't believe why when these people go into Jamaica they crying because they're happy. They have found their happy places. They have found people that they have never been treated that way in their life. So that's why they're sad when they're leaving. That's why they're crying when they're leaving. Like, it's nothing else. They're just sad because they have met a group of people who made them feel really special. You understand? And that's why they cry. Even me, I cry too when Mr. Them leave. Even me, I cry as well, guys. But I don't understand why those YouTubers try to nitpick. I'm not saying some of, as I said, they are probably correct with some of the things that they have said. But when you fabricate things like a relationship or anything like that, that doesn't make any sense. Like, you don't see anything stop assuming, say it's like that. The young lady has explained herself, Kino has explained himself, and you people just keep on go. It's like you have to come to Jamaica to experience it. Jamaica is an experience, trust me. If you don't come and you hear people talking about this, and even when you hear people saying, oh the guys call her babes and empress, and that's how Jamaican men are. It's like, I don't know how else to explain to people that when you're in Jamaica, the Jamaican men, they make you feel so special. There's not one day that you will step out of your house and someone will not say hi to you and make you feel some type of nice way about yourself. And this is not just one sector of the society. This is coming from the top all the way down to the bottom. So it's not like it's just the guys on the street that are doing that. You have people who in a proper job, who comes from proper community, not from the ghetto, but that's just how them are. Them forward and them tell it like it is. So it's not that we're making it up, and she's not used to getting that attention from her countrymen. So that is why you may hear her talk about it like that. But Jamaican men are really, really lovely. Like, I just saw them stay for true. Like you have to go there to experience it. You have to go there to experience what the hype is all about because it's real. And you guys just have to know that, man, and ease up off of the girl, them, man. Ease up off of the young people, them, and let them go and explore and do them YouTube and, you know, make money and do what they need to do. That's all. Anyway, guys, trust me, it's just so annoying when they try to just pick out stuff and just pick out the negative in all of the situation them, especially when it's not right in front of their eyes, when they can say, yes, this is that and that is that. This making up a relationship in your head, and you know, it's like if she chooses to go back to Jamaica, she's not the first person. When Martin Luther King went back to Jamaica, Martin Luther said the best place he ever go is the first place he has been to receive black policemen. And then Martin Luther King go back again because it's nice. It make him feel like a human being. So that's why people want to go back again. So some of them are saying, oh, she just come from Jamaica. There's nothing why she's going back. She's going back because she likes to be there. And as she has said, it's like Jamaica is going to be her base, where she's going to be leaving from to go and explore other places. So what is that so bad? Sean Ara came while she obviously she had to go back to her thing was a much more shorter stay compared to Dee, but she has a family, she has a husband and she has a son, so she has to go back and tend to her family. I'm sure if she would have missed it because I know she would have wanted to create more content, but at the same time she misses her family. But Sean, the next time you're coming to Jamaica, carry your sister, carry your husband, carry your baby. Because you've seen that Jamaica is safe. Yeah, you get that? Take your baby the next time you go so you can relax and enjoy yourself and do your videos. And you don't have to be worrying if Baba is doing okay. Because your sister, she done a great job anyway. So, but next time, and all you YouTubers, if you want to know what they hype about, you have to visit Jamaica. Come and visit our lovely country where you'll get a warm and lovely welcome. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. And remember to like, share, and subscribe, and comment. Thanks to my subscribers, guys. I've just started. Well, I'm on YouTube over 13 years, but when I just started, I wasn't uploading any video. I was so shy and whatever. So I've decided that I'm gonna try this again and see how it goes. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.